This is a season, I hear you, God, where God's about to restore your obedience, where you're about to be obedience to God. You're going to stop second guessing everything God tells you. Bishop, I need to pray about it. That ain't prayer, that's rebellion. You already know what God wants. You don't need to pray. You need to get delivered from that stubborn, rebellious spirit that God got to take a whole year to get you to submit. The devil is a liar. You need to submit right